To make what we call ba'at or Ka'ak Al Abbas, start by combining the warm water and yeast and set it aside until it activates and becomes frothy. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar and spices. Now add the activated yeast and warm milk. Use your hands or a stand mixer to knead the dough and continue kneading until it becomes a soft, smooth dough. You're now going to place it in an oiled bowl. You're going to cover and leave it to rest for about an hour. Once rested and doubled in size, knead the dough for a few minutes to expel any air bubbles, and then you're going to roll it out and divide up the dough into equal pieces. Sprinkle your oiled wooden mould with sesame seeds, then flatten each dough piece onto the mould to create that traditional patterned flatbread. Repeat this with all your portion dough. Place your flatbread on a large baking sheet, and I usually leave it to rest here for about 10 minutes before I bake in the oven for about 15 minutes, brushing with melted butter or ghee as soon as it comes out of the oven.